China, China, pay your share. 16 million.
Hi, my name is Anastasia, and we are here in St. Petersburg, Russia today, where we are holding an action to call the Chinese government for a greater leadership in fighting AIDS epidemic around the world.
China, China, pay your share. 16 million is not fair.
Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай! Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай!
AIDS epidemic is spreading globally, and more resources and financial investments are needed to stop it and save millions of lives in the world.
China, China, pay your share. 16 million is not fair.
Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай! Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай!
The global fight with epidemics of AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria need more and more contribution from different countries.
China, China, pay your share. 16 million is not fair.
Today we are calling the Chinese government for bigger contribution into the global fund to fight AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria. The issue is that China received more than $940 million from the global fund, and till now it paid back only $16 million.
China, China, pay your share. 16 million is not fair.
Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай! Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай!
The global fund to fight AIDS, TB and malaria save lives around the world, and today we call the Chinese government to give more and take less.
China, China, pay your share. 16 million is not fair.
Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай! Китай, Китай, свою часть отдай!